Okay, so we want to continue with our string method. Don't forget I told you that when you have a variable name, then you have dot a particular function. That function is a method. So we want to look at dot split. Dot split splits a string into a list. This is a string. I want to split this according to the space in between. That means I want to have orange in a list, banana in a list, guava in a list, and apple in the same list. So let me write print. Print is just to display the output. So print fruits dot split. So let's run. So we have orange, banana, guava, apple. How do I know this is a list? A list we have square brackets. Can you see it has square brackets? So by default, when you say dot split, it splits the string according to the space in between. So if you write it like this, I'm saying split according to space. I'm quoting the space. So it's still the same thing as not putting anything. Now, let's try to use dot split to write a program to extract username. You can see this is the username. Akanbi.awalolalikon is the username. So I want to split according to the slash, which means to take everything before the slash as an item and everything after the slash as an item. If I say it will split according to the dot, it will take www as an item, Facebook as an item, com/Akanbi as an item. Anywhere it says dot, it will take the next one as an item. So there's a dot here, Awal Olalikon as another item. So let's print URL dot split according to, you quote the slash according to slash or by slash. Let's print. So we have www.facebook.com as an item. After the slash, it sees Akanbi.awalolalikon as another item. So I've gotten the username to be Akanbi.awalolalikon. How do we get only Akanbi.awalolalikon out? That is a discussion for a list class. So there's a class on list which we are going to discuss in details. But for learning purpose, I will just try to let us extract the last item. So after the dot split, after the bracket, there's a bracket that I used to split. So I can just put a square bracket to get the last item. I'll put -1. -1 means get the last item in a list. Let's run. So this is Akanbi.awalolalikon. Now let's move to find. Find gets the index of a character. Let's say print password dot find. I want to find, let's say, the index of 2. So the index of 2 is 3. Now let's look at this string. The first letter in the string has an index of 0. The second letter has an index of 1. The third letter, which is I, has an index of 2. And the 2 here has an index of 3. So you start from 0 when you are indexing. You are giving each item in the string an index. Start from 0. The first item is 0, followed by 1, 2, 3. So 2 here has an index of 3. So that is the function of find as a method. So start with returns true or false. Okay, let's look at if this password starts with 1. Probably want to tell the user incorrect password. Okay, let's say print password dot starts with. Does it start with 1? It should be false. Okay, it's false because it's not starting with 1. So let's look at ends with. I want to confirm if this file is a PDF file. So a PDF file ends with .pdf. So I'll just say print file name ends with .pdf. So let's print. Yes, it's true because it ends with .pdf. The count method counts a particular character or a particular string in a string. Okay, let's look at print text.count. What am I counting in the text? I'm counting Python. If you write small letter p, you will not get the desired output. So Python is 2. Let's put small letter p. You can see 0 because small Python is not the same thing as the big Python. So the spelling must be the same, the case must be the same. So let's change this to capital letter P and run again. So you can see we have 2 Python, 1 and 2.